I think he's got a very big, if you Google, he's got a very big fan following in the youth. Lot of youth people all over India and even overseas.
My humble pronouns to everyone else. I was very happy when I saw that Sri Ramakrishna's the most ecstatic position is there and the statue is given to all Rotarians. You know what's the meaning of that pose? Maybe everyone knows. But you know, I am the student, I am not the leader among you. I am the most youngest and I want to be the student forever. Student of the universe. So what is the thing? When we can impose peace, you know, when all the things we are paying attention. Atasmin tat buddhi, Shankaracharya ji is telling, you know, what is not actually, we are paying attention in that. So Bhagavan is telling, you know, like this is called Mriga Mudra. So when we will be concentrated in one, we all are telling that we are one, we have to distribute peace, donate peace, we have to spread peace. But how is it possible? You know, today's, what is the slogan today? Peace, unity and brotherhood. You know, everything is hidden in that 3 words. I was just thinking that what I will tell in 3 minutes, you know. So what is peace? That is the one song, you know. For the inquisitiveness we are having. Jani na keba eshechi kothay keno ba eshechi kebani. We don't know where we have come, where we will go. Then the last word is brotherhood. If we forget the English and take the Sanskrit word of brotherhood, it is sahodar, saha udar, who has come out from one womb. So from the one universal womb, everyone has come out. In the family, we love our family members, we love our brothers, we love our own sisters, we love our parents. So when we will feel that actual impact of this world, that brotherhood, we are sahodar, we have come out from a one single womb, then where there is not peace, and when we will think that this is a body, if my finger, you know, strike to my eyes, I do not chop off my fingers, I try to console it. If my tongue, you know, cut by the teeth, I never punch my teeth, because we are the same part, we are the different parts of a same body. So if we think that we are sahodar, and we are the different parts of the same body, one universe, we will be in peace. If we are at peace, effortlessly the peace will be spread. When a log of wood spreads heat, when it is burning, when a block of ice spreads coolness, when it is cool itself, if we are at peace with that great understanding, then effortlessly the peace will be spreaded. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat.